Yes, so if you have some doubts, please kindly ask me the doubts from the exercise, please. Yes. Exercise one nariya superana questions irukku. Please ask me the doubts. Yes, fine. Anybody? You can start the 10.3 lo vandu there are some end vandu superana questions illa neenga edhuve vandu kekkalam irukku. We will do it. Any question you can ask. Yes. Yes, ma, please. You can ask me any question, please. Yes. All of you have the textbook, right? Please go through
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yeah, you can ask me the doubts, and before that, so please, if you try to do this question number 18, last question, Panla, the 16th one and 18th one, these two are very fabulous questions. Okay, they are fabulous questions. So we will do that, right? Right. So what are those questions here? If you look at 18th one. Yes, before I go for 18th one, I'll ask few questions more related to this 18th question. Yeah. Friends, if these are my A and B, the x intercept and y intercept, the line. This is my line bar, and these are the x and y axis. Okay. So what is the equation of this line, ma? Please, can you tell me what is the equation of this line, please? Anybody?
X by A plus Y by B equal to 1.
That's a brilliant answer. For you, please. Just watch here. That's a brilliant one, please. Come on. Because you have been given the intercepts, ma. You have been given the intercepts. So, of course, the intercept form. Simple. Very good. Very good. Right. Next one. I will give the same story, but little different one. A and B are not given. Intercepts are not given, but right. P is given. And of course, alpha is given. What is the equation of this line, ma? Anybody?
X cos alpha plus Y sin alpha equal to P.
That's alpha, please. Just normal form, right? This is called normal form. If you look at your question number 18, yes, if you look at question number 18, it is combination of both normal form and the intercept form, yes. Go through the question, please. You understand. Um, somebody can read the question, please. Who will read it, ma, please? Come on, read it. Maybe you can read the question, please.
Yes, sir. If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin,
Okay, P is the length of the perpendicular from the origin. Yeah,
to the line
yeah.
whose
Okay,
intercepts
hold on. Yeah. So P is the length of the perpendicular to the line, ma. This is the line, dear. All of you watch, ma. This is the line here. This is the line, ma. This is the line. And P is the length of the perpendicular. This is this point. You take it as M here. And OM is called P, dears. OM is called P. They have given. Okay, done. Come on, dears. Next.
whose intercept on the axis are A and B.
Yes, this
Then
line
show that
at A and B part. Okay, the line is making intercepts on X and Y axis at A and at B, dears. Okay, mean either at A and at length of the intercept is A and length of this intercept is B, dears. So okay, fine. Yes, then show that. Please go ahead.
Then show that 1 by P square equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square.
Brilliant, ma. This is the thing you need to show, dears. Come on. So the line is very clear now. One, if I think the line, the intercept terms, I can write the equation as this, correct? Yes or no, friends?
Yes,
A
sir.
and B are Y intercept, so I can write X by A plus Y by B is 1. The equation of line is that, right? Okay. Fantastic. Suppose if I am not worried about this A and B, This is my normal. If I consider this alpha, this is my assumption. Let the alpha be the angle made by normal OM to the x-axis. This is my assumption, yes. See, my dear, in mathematics, Jeevit, Ram. Yes, Ram, why are you coming late for every day? What is the reason, dear? Class or any other reason? Right, okay, fine.
Sir, I
Friends,
was doing homeworks.
Yeah, but right, okay, okay. Please be in a time, dear, whatever it is. Please. Alpha be the angle made by the normal to x. நீங்க assume பண்றீங்க, right? I am taking alpha and you take beta and somebody take gamma. These are all not standards. This should not reflect your answer. Okay, suppose now please the formalities for the normal form is over. Do you agree? There is a normal and normal is making alpha. Normal length is p. When the length of the normal is given, the angle made by the normal with x-axis given. Therefore, it's a fit case for equation of the line, again the same line. The same line, whatever the line, there's only one line. The normal. There's only one line we are discussing here. This is a normal, of course. It is a line segment, mind. Okay. However, there's a line we are talking about. This line, whose equation is this? And even the normal form also, this is my line, whose normal is this, and normal is making alpha, therefore equation of this line again. So equation of a line again, equation of L. Equation of L is a line, plain line. I am writing, what is the equation here? Can anybody tell? This equation in the formula, please, come on. What form it is
Cos
called?
alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p.
Alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to PDS. This is number 2. 1 and 2. Please look at them. 1 and 2. Is it the same line or different lines? Please tell me.
Same line, sir.
Same line. So therefore, this x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is number 1 equation. They both are representing denoting the same line. Do you agree, yes? All of you, please. Mohan?
Sir.
Mohan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Google? Do you agree, dear?
Yes, sir.
Question and Ram? Same line, we are talking about this line here, which is making intercepts on x and y axis A and B, and whose normal from the origin is P, length is P, and which is the normal is making alpha with the x-axis. There is only one line here. There is only one line. That line is in the one form. Intercept form is this, and normal form is this. Therefore, these two lines are called coincident lines. Coincident line. Do you agree? What are the coincident lines? Should condition, please? Anybody? 10th standard.
They all have equal slope.
Yes, Pa?
They all have equal slope, sir.
No, how can they have equal slopes? Is fantastic. Okay, very good. That is also a great answer. But instead of that, please, I'll just recall your 10th standard stuff. Okay. A1x plus B1y is equal to C1. A2x plus B2y equal to C2. These two are coincident lines. What is the condition? Yes. What do you mean by coincident lines, Smart? Does they have single solution or many solutions or no solution? Yes.
Many solutions, sir.
Exactly. Many solutions. When do you say no solution, ma? When they are
When they
parallel.
are parallel.
When they are coincident means what? On the same line, there are two lines are there, markers. That's called coincident lines. Friends, so what is the condition here? Can anybody tell me? Recall your 10th standard stuff, please.
A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2.
Note down here. This one note down, please, all of you. In the side and the other side, please just write down all the ratios are equal. Now, 1 and 2 are called what type of lines? They are coincident lines. They are same line, only one line. Please, able to follow? So, you note panikonga. Then I can compare them, please. This x coefficient is cos alpha by 1 by a. Y coefficient is sin alpha, something like it's called A1 by A2. The coefficients of X and the coefficients of Y and the constants are equal, yes. Therefore, my dear friends, I will write it here. So, can I rub this, ma? Can I rub this? This part, I can rub it. All of you, please. Yeah, done. Okay, ma. So, you please tell me the first one is cos alpha here. Cos alpha by 1 by A equals to sin alpha by 1 by B. Then equal to P by 1 mark. This is because of rule mark from 1 and 2. You can write because they are coincident lines. Okay? They are coincident lines, or that you can quote that rule, what I said, okay? That rule you can quote. Can I say now, dear, this is called A cos alpha is equal to B sin alpha is equal to B, yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Friends, here, now I will just cut down this and complete the formality, please. We have to show this such a wonderful this thing in which you compare alpha and correct? I told let means what? You are assuming. Therefore, friends, here A cos alpha equal to P, which implies cos alpha is P by A. Wonderful. Paranga, able to see? And A sin alpha equal to P, which implies sin alpha equal to P by B. The golden steps, because, yeah, cos alpha is P by A, sin alpha is P by B. Whenever you see this cos alpha, sin alpha, what do you remember, dear? Yes, anybody, please. What do you remember, Mama? Famous one. What is that?
So the
Yeah,
plus or minus the plus or minus a by root of a square plus b square.
Yeah, I am just asking simple question. Don't think too much. Yes. Cos alpha is P by A, sin alpha is P by B. Let us call this as 3 and 4. Can I write what is cos square alpha, yes? P square by A square. What add these two now? What do you get, ma, please? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to what? 1.
1.
This is such a brilliant one, ma, please. Trigonometry, how beautifully they are using here. This will give a lot of depth into, insight into your mathematics, really. This particular question. How you are seeing, suddenly you are yourself making everything like, we assume the alpha here, alpha is the angle made by the normal with the x-axis. Therefore, I have to eliminate alpha. Please understand this. So, how to eliminate? Only when I have a cos and sin, I can connect them with identity. What is the identity? Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Wow. Identity. Now you So put what is cos square alpha here? P square by A square, P square by B square equal to 1, yes or no? Over
Yes,
P
sir.
square is common, 1 by A square plus 1 by B square equal to 1. Now you divide with P square now. Wow. 1 by A square. I hope you are able to see. No. Okay. Now I will write it. Divide with P square. But that's all. Yes. Divide with P square on both the sides. Now what do you get? Ma, please tell me. P square cancel. 1 by A square plus 1 by B square is 1 by P square. Hence, proved for it. How beautiful it is. Look at this. All of you understood Google? Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Avi,
Yes, sir.
Mohan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arpit,
Yes, sir. I have one small question though, sir.
I'll come. I'll
How
come
do
to
you get
this.
sine
Ram, is
alpha
it
is
clear?
equal to E by B?
Yes.
Yeah. Arpit, please tell me. Yes. So first, let us take. Okay, all of you take this, ma, please. Kindly take this question. Yeah, Arpit. Now you ask your doubt.
How is sine alpha is equal to P by B, sir?
How sine alpha is P by B? Is it? This is called what is this, ma? B. Sorry, this is called B sine alpha, ma. In the paranga, what is there here, ma? This is called sine alpha. This is called 1 by B, 1 by B. So, more than B sine alpha is P. A cos alpha is P and B sine alpha is P. That's what I took here.
Oh,
I
right,
took
right,
A.
sir.
Yeah,
Got it.
thank you. Thank you. I think I made a blunder, right? There's a A. Right? I wrote A, that's wrong, right? See this one here. B sine alpha is P. Brilliant, brilliant. Right. Thank you. B sine alpha is P, therefore sine alpha is P by B. Excellent part. P square by S square, P square by B square. I went in the flow part. Yes. Take it. Yeah. Oh, how beautiful question. Okay. So you will get this one more. 1 by A square plus 1 by B square equal to 1 by P square if you divide with P square. Mohan, are you able to follow me? Ram, is it clear, Ram? Sudarshan, Madesh கிட்ட பேசிட்டீங்களா நீங்க? Why he is not coming? Any reason?
Sir, he is having some homeworks to do, so that we have no time to attend the class.
Okay. Because classwork, they are asking for it, correct?
Yes, sir. Some works are given by
Yeah. All are saying the same thing. Yes. Even the Bangalore guy also telling the same thing. Good. Okay. Right. Shall I rub it, ma, over? Have you taken, dears? Kindly take it, ma. Such an amazing question. What is the question number? 18. Question number 4, right? We finish the question. Wait. Right. This is the figure given. They didn't give it. We wrote it. Then the line here, this is the line, ma. This is the line. This line is making intercepts on x and y axis as A and B. And length of the normal from the origin is P. That's all they have given. We are just interpreting that as a normal form so that I can assume this alpha is the angle made by the alpha so that I can complete the probability for normal form. So we are writing in intercept form. This is called intercept form. Yes, this is the equation of a line intercept form. This is the normal form of a line. And let alpha be the angle. Let. Therefore, I have to eliminate alpha. Whatever I assume and suppose, and whatever I let, I must eliminate at the end mark. That you need to have it in mind, because that is not a standard thing. That's not the part of the problem. It is your story. Therefore, that has to be eliminated here. Then this line and this line, 1 and 2, I wrote it here. They are same lines, ma. These two are 1 and 2 are same lines. Let me write it. 1 and 2 are same lines. Same means what? coincident lines. I told you the rule there, ma, and the rule quote panni A1 by A2 cos alpha by 1 by A, what is that called? A2 by B2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2. This is called B1, this is called B2, is equal to C1 by C2 ma. Now, this is connect panna, this is connect panna, cos alpha, A மேல போயிடும், A cos alpha equal to P, and this is connect panna, B sin alpha is P ma. That's it, okay? Yes or no pa? A cos alpha is equal to B sin alpha equal to P. Now, friends, you take these two, A cos alpha is P, which implies cos alpha is P. B sin alpha is P. Wow. Now, whenever you get, please, whenever you get sin alpha, cos alpha, you have to think about identity to eliminate that angle. Friends, therefore, I am going for a spiraling because sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. A beautiful identity. We know that. Now you fill these gaps. First mathematics, okay? Then we see English. Come on. We know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Put it here. P square by S square. Wow, that's it, man. Then you take P square common, then divide with P square on both the sides. Then you will keep getting 1 by P square is 1 by S square plus 1 by. Is it clear solution? Shall I rub it and go for other question? Now you can ask other questions. Very interesting and difficult ones are there from 14 to 18 days. 14 to 18, they are very, very interesting. Please come on. Yeah. Shall I go for next one, please? You ask the question, please. Which one do you want?
17, sir.
17th one. Okay. Right, right. 17th one is not already a difficult one, ma. Earlier, Google has asked one question, 13th or 14th, I think. 13th one. Similar model. Anyway, I will tell you the story and you can work it out. Yeah. 17th one, yes. What is this question mark? It's so amazing, right? Paranga. In a triangle ABC with vertices, okay, what is given? ABC are the 3 vertices are given. Find the equation of the length of altitude from the vertex A. Yes. There is a triangle called ABC. ABC. A is given as 2, 3. You can put it in the real time frame, but somehow we are not doing that. And 1, 2. So these are the in a triangle ABC with vertices is given. Find the equation of length of altitude from the vertex A. This is the vertex A. This is called altitude mark. This is called M, some point. Okay. So friends, AM is the length of the altitude mark. AM is the length of altitude. You understand? Yes. AM is the length of the altitude mark. So find the equation and the length of random. I have to find out if this is my L. What is the equation of this line? L and a line mark. Please understand this. Okay. All notations are written. Find the equation of the line and length of the altitude mark. And you have to find out this length, this equation of the line, this equation of the this line of the equation as well as length of this line mark. Okay. And the line it will go extend. Okay. Yeah, come on. How do we do this? This line, right? This line, friends, is perpendicular to what? Yes. Anybody?
BC, sir.
BC. Wonderful. Friends, you have to write length of the Altitude is 1 and then equation of AM ds both ma. Equation of AM and then length of AM ds. Okay, both ma. Right. See dears, if I take this A as a point, A as a point called 2, 3, if I have a line here, some line, this is called B and C, perpendicular, can I find this length, ma? What is the formula for distance of a point from the line? That is called length of the perpendicular, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please all of you watch here, dears. So this is called length. We know that the distance of a point from the line. From the line, which line? BCDS, yes or no? But point from the line, I mean what? You should know this point as x1, y1, and you should know the equation of a line, correct? From the line means what? Equation of a line. Line means how do I say? Through the equation I say it line. Come on. So, how do I find out equation of a line, Google? Equation of BC. 2 points, brilliant guy, come on. 2 points are there, B and C, 2 point formed, yes. That means from the line, equation of BC. Equation of BC is what, ma? 2 point formed, yes. Which are the 2 points here? 4, -1 and 1, 2, yes. Unless you observe very closely, you can never ever understand my teaching, my dears, I tell you. You have to be constantly focused at the board. Listening, watching, and see my all actions and gestures. Then only you can understand little bit, ma, please. We are talking about the distance, ma. This length. See, first is length of the altitude, ma, please. Therefore, the distance AM I am finding, please. There's nothing but perpendicular distance. There's nothing but length of the altitude. So, friends, this point A is a given. And M is on the line. We know that distance of a point from the line or the equation okay? So for that, I am writing 2 point form. What is the 2 point form? Yes, can anybody tell please? X, y minus y1, y plus 1 by x minus 4 is equals to slope. What is the slope here? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, yes or no? Slope is nothing but, that's nothing but what, ma? x2 minus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, ma. 2 plus 1 is 3. That's now 1 minus 4 is minus 3, yes. Friends, the slope of this line is what, ma? Minus 1, okay? If slope of this line is minus 1, what is the slope of this line? What is slope of this line, ma? y2 minus y1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 minus 4, minus 3. Then y plus 1 by x minus 4 equal to what? Actually, now equation is there, I am doing extra, okay? Please. Yeah, equation is another, okay, please, because you can find the distance. So, y plus 1, y minus y1 by x minus 4 is equal to slope. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Therefore, y plus 1 by x minus 4 is equal to minus 1, which further implies here, I am coming here. So, y plus 1 is equals to minus x plus 4, right? So, x plus y is equal to 3, ma. Okay? This is the equation of BC, ma. This is the equation of BC. What is slope of BC, dears? Can anybody tell what is slope of BC?
-1, sir.
Minus 1. If slope of BC is minus 1, what is slope of AM, dears?
1.
Plus 1. Brilliant. Plus 1. Why? M1 into M2 is -1, 1 into -1 is if AM is perpendicular. Do you know that AM is perpendicular to BC? Wow. Friends, now all the works are over, ma. You please take till this point. This is a given figure. I mean, figure we have drawn from the question. This is a question mark. What we have to find out. Therefore, we are planning for it. What is the plan here? You want to find out this length. There's nothing but what distance of a point from the line. This is the point. And this line, of course, we know the 2 points, but we don't know the equation. Therefore, we are building the equation. Yes. You got equation here. This is the equation of BC matrix. And also, by the way, this is called y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This part is called what? Slope. Yes or no? 2-point formula only observe. It's not easy to comprehend what I am saying. Some of you will be catching it. So this part is what this is called slope here. The slope of BC is what? -1. Then slope of AM is what? +1. Okay, I'll tell you one more question. I'll ask you one more question. Slope of BC is 2. What is slope of AM, DS? Anybody?
-1/2.
Brilliant. See, I told you the rule like this, ma. Whatever is given one line slope, write negative of it and reciprocal of it. Yes, that's called array. This M1, M2 is -1. Yes or no? Negative of the reciprocal DS. Negative of the reciprocal DS. That's what I am telling here. Minus of 1 by -1. Minus cancel. It is 1 DS. Wow. This is just extra place here. So, friends, if you have taken this entire thing, you could answer both the questions here. Friends, how do you find out distance of a point from the line, ma? Please, can anybody tell here? So now we are completing this part, ma. So what is that formed here? Distance equals to AX plus AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root of A square plus B square modulus. Do you agree? Which is that line here? This is the line here. So you can write this line as +3 badala -3 equal to 0 and correct? So this is called x1 y1 y. I will come to one more question, okay? One more question immediately. I will tell you the difference between x and x1 y1. xy and x1 y1. Okay? What is the difference under the apada puriyum? Okay? Friends, here distance equals to, this is called A. A is 1 and B is 1, C is -3. Come on, write it yes. A x1. This is called x1 y1 of this. X bubble x1 point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the equation in the point substitute பண்ணுங்க. x1 plus y1 minus 3 by x1 the coefficient is 1, that is called 1 square plus 1 square. Yes or no?
Yes,
The
sir.
coefficient is 1. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So d equals to, what is x1 mark? x1 is called 2, y1 is called 3, that is -3 whole divided by √2 parts. Yes or no? So friends, d equals to 3 cancel, it's a 2 by √2, that is called √2 ds. So length of this one is called √2 copies. Done. Okay. Next one, ma. Next one, ds. What is this +1 part? Anybody?
No, sir.
So wonderful. So m equal to 1 ds. Slope of this line is 1 mark. And this is the point on this line, correct? We know there is a point on the line. Therefore, this is called slope point formed here. SP. SP means what? Slope, point, form. Slope தெரியுது, point தெரியுது, खत्म हो गया. இந்த மாதிரி ஈக்குவேஷன் தான். புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Now, so write the equation please. Slope, point, form. இல்லன்னா, okay, அதே சொல்றேன். இன்னொரு part, please write down now. Write down, then I will come to the second part now. Equation of AMDS. I hope I can rub this and do it here. Right. So the last portion is this one now. Slope, point, form here. You know that's now equation of AMDS. Equation of AM. So that is called SP form. Slope, point, form. So slope is given as 1 and point is given as 2, 3. Therefore, y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to slope. y1 is the x1 by 1. So y minus 3 by x minus 2 equal to 1. Y minus 3. Wow, 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 wow. So in the minus 2 inside, x minus y is called plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of AMDS. Equation of AM is please go down. This is called equation of BCDS. அதுக்கு வர ஓகே ப்ளீஸ் இன்னொரு மாடல் சொல்றேன். அதையும் பண்ணலாம், இன்னொரு மாடல் சொல்றேன். Right for over?
Yes, sir.
Take it down. So both the points we made it clear. There is some interesting note is there, Maya, that to address that point, I will go to question number. See, these questions are not made just like that. Come on. These questions are made. A lot of diligence and a lot of thinking has gone into this. They are experts, have sat and they arrange these questions. They assemble these questions. Okay, it is not just another question. எடுத்துட்டு நம்ம கட் அண்ட் பேஸ்ட் பண்றது, நம்ம டெஸ்ட் பேப்பர் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றது ஸ்கூல்ல அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. It is the wise people sat together, sit for years and made this material. It's not a joke. So the questions எதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி questions செலக்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா, if you can address these questions, okay, you can answer most of the questions, even the damn JEE questions also. Yes, I'll tell you, except the extra syllabus. Don't think that JEE and other exams, even your NEET exam, suppose if you prepare your physics and chemistry, it is not a big difficult if you can understand the concepts thoroughly from the NCERT. 90% of the NCERT syllabus is there in the, more than 90% is there in the NEET also. Right, yes. So, shall I rub it, ma? You want me to rewind it? You want me to rewind it or enough? Okay, we have done enough, I think, right? There was a triangle, whose vertices were given. Then from the vertex A, right? I will complete the triangle now. Formula. There is a triangle here, right? So from the vertex A, you draw an altitude mark. So that will touch the base BC at M here. This is called altitude mark. Okay. So you have to find out the length of the altitude. It's nothing but what distance of a point from the line. So equation of BC. Now you don't know the line, right? The line is called BC. Now BC, what is equation is the 2-point form. Therefore, I write here y minus y1 by x minus x1 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is nothing but slope. Yes, this is nothing but slope. So equation of the slope of this line is -1, and slope of this line will be 1. Anyway, just for future case, I am giving it. Okay. So equation, then I wrote this equation here. Y plus 1 is minus of x plus x minus 4. It becomes minus x and plus 4 y if you expand it. If multiply with minus, it's become minus x, it's become plus 4. So now it gives us to make it proper equation. Ellame inside konuvanga x plus y. 4 inside vanda become minus 3. So equation of BC is this. Friends, once this part is over, the equation of BC over, then I will come to distance of a point from this BC line mark. This is the BC line, okay? So in the lining, please, x by x1 porna, y by y1 porna, minus 3 equal to 0 over 0 remove porna, because we are touching the line now. We are just finding the distance. You have seen that formula. This time, root of a square, 1 square plus 1 square. That's called 2, root 2. 3 cancel, 2 by root 2 is root 2. So distance of this length is root 2 yes. This length AM is root 2. Now equation of AM is nothing but slope and point. In the point theorem, the line I am talking. Slope theorem, point theorem, therefore SP form. That's all. I will tell you another method to write the equation of this line. The equation in the form SP form illame another method lo solla pora. Please listen, mother. So a rapid power over. Have you taken it? All of you have taken?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Yesterday I told you, yes, this is called BC mark, and this is called point A. Whose what is this point A, yes? யாரும் சொல்ல மாட்டீங்க. இந்த question தாப்பா, இப்ப சொன்ன question தாப்பா. What is that point A?
2,3, sir.
2,3, sir.
2,3 or minus 2,3?
2,3 only, sir.
Sir, 2,
Yeah, 2,3. Yeah. And friends, here already you have BC. What is the equation of BC? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how to write the equation of now AMDS? Equation of AMDS. So for that, I have given an alternate method mark. Is it right? AM and BC are perpendicular to each other?
Yes, sir.
If two lines are perpendicular, L1 and L2 are perpendicular, I told you that AX plus BY plus C is equal to C1 is first equation. Yeah, what is the second equation? Yes, can anybody tell?
Bx minus ay is equal to C2.
Yeah, X and interchange the coefficients and change the sign. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes minus. And you write X and Y, they are genuine fellows. And this A will go to Y and B will come. This is the equation. Yes. Now you tell me X plus Y equal to 3, X plus Y equal to 3. This is the equation of BCDS, right? Can you tell me what could be the equation of AM? Yes, please. Come on, tell me dear. One of you, please. Right? Plus bottle minus. 1 is here, right? X. The coefficients are same, 1 and 1, therefore no problem at all. Is equal to some constancy. Yes or no?
Yes,
X
sir.
minus Y equal to C. But friends, this AM is passing through what? 2, 3. Now this is called XY because it's passing through. See, there is a point here earlier. When you find a distance, when you find a distance of a point A, you from BC, right? From BC, you wrote this as the X1, Y1. X1, Y1 is not on BC. Please understand, ma. X1, Y1 is not on BC. Here, 2, comma 3 is on AM, yes. 2 comma 3 is on AM. That's why we take this as x comma y, because it is x can be replaced by 2 and y can be replaced by 3. You understand? But this is not, when I talk about BC, I have to take this point is not, this point is outside this line. Therefore, we take this a different point. It should need not satisfy this line. Not one comma. Put here, put on this, it won't satisfy formula. 2 plus 3 minus 3 is not equal to 0 because this point is not on this line. Therefore, it need not satisfy it. Whereas, I have to write the equation of this line AM. On AM, who is there now? On AM, 2 comma 3 is there. A of 2 comma 3 is on BC, is on AM. So can you put here 2 comma 3? X is 2 and Y, whenever the point is on the line, you can replace XY with point mark. So it's 2 minus 3 is equal to C power. What is C mark? C is minus 1. Now you write it here. The equation C, you found it now. So the equation becomes equation of AM. Are you able to follow this? X minus Y is equal to minus 1 part. That's it. Or X minus Y plus 1. This is the alternate way of doing it. Writing the equation of a perpendicular line formula. This is a beautiful method, mind. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Come on. Please write down everything, then I can go for next question. We are doing only second question now. I think almost 1 hour is getting, right? 40-50 minutes is over for 2 questions. Google, is it clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
Right. The point is on the line, you should take it as x comma y. The point is outside the line. With respect to BC, it is called x1, y1. With respect to AM, it is called x comma y. That you please make a difference, please. I think that I should tell it, okay? With respect to BC, right? The point 2 comma 3 is x1 comma y1 ds. Yeah, that's the point, please. With respect to AM, the 2 comma 3 is called x comma y. Wow, brilliant. I hope now, this because 2, 3 is on the line, therefore it must satisfy the line part. 2 comma 3 satisfy this AM mark. 2 comma 3 does not satisfy this BC. This is how you can frame it. Yes. This is actually. We were not. I never learned. I'm telling you, not proudly. I'm telling you. When we were in the school, I mean 11th and 12th, I told about my math teacher several times. I don't want to repeat it. And I never learned anything. I can't remember today. I learned this from my math teacher. Such a horrible math teacher I had. You know how much I got in my 11th and 12th, if you see, because I joined English medium first time in the 11th standard office. I studied till 10th standard Telugu medium in government school. And after studying Telugu medium, I wanted to go pursue English medium, but there's no use anyway. People only speak in Telugu only, teachers, most of them. So I struggled like anything. See, my 11th, anyway, it's not good, okay, because we are recording it. Yeah, please, right. Terrible marks, okay, I had in my 11th because we never understood anything, please. When I wanted to teach the students, then I learned why. The question mark was why. And everything is why, okay, how, what, where, when, all these things. If you start asking the questions, right, why and how, what, these questions if you ask, automatically you start understanding. You will get the doubts. If you don't understand mathematics with these questions, you will never learn mathematics. Mathematics has to be probed and explored. You should explore it, please. Otherwise, there's no whatever learning. You can never learn anything in mathematics unless you start questioning it. If you start just memorizing it, life is miserable. If you want to be healthy and wealthy, please follow these questions. Why, how, and what? Why this? How this? What is this? Right. So, next question, dears. Another beautiful question is there, ma, that is called 14th one, dears. For 14th one and also 15th one, ma. 14th and 15th one, last 4 questions, right? 14th and I'll do a little quicker. Right. Friends, question number 14. Question number 14, yes. What is the question, please? Can anybody read, ma, please? Abhi?
Yes, sir.
Please
Find
read,
the
ma, please.
coordinates. Find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular from the point -1, 3
Okay. Complete. Okay, complete it. Yeah.
to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0.
Once again, ma, one more go. Full question, please. One go.
Find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular from the point -1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0.
Brilliant, ma, brilliant. Please come on, friends. Here now you see you find a very different understanding. Yes, there is a point, ma. Please, point P. Somebody, some name. Okay, give it. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point. This is from the point, from where the point is coming. From -1, 3. You draw a perpendicular, that is called foot of the perpendicular. This is called foot of the perpendicular. F I will take. Okay, this F is called what? Foot of the perpendicular. This is perpendicular, ma. From the point, I have drawn a perpendicular to the line, ma. This is the line, dears. This is the line. So you have to find out the foot of the perpendicular, some x, y or x1, whatever. Okay. So this point is given to you, please. This you take x, y. Okay. Foot of the perpendicular. This is on line. Okay. This is on the line. You take x, y. Okay? These are not fixed. Okay. Understand? So you have to find out the f. Okay. Find the f of x, y, ds. Okay. Please read the once again. And also they have given the line. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point P to the line. This is my line. What is the line of the equation, please? 3x.
3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0.
That's it. Brilliant. Come on. Excellent. Please. The line is given, the point is given. You have to find out the foot of the perpendicular mark. Foot of the mountain, we say, foot of the tower, we say, right? So, foot of the perpendicular, yes. Okay? Watch. Wow. What a question here. How to do this? Friends, here, just now I told ma, this line is this equation, ma. This line of the equation is this here. I told you, right, this line and this line are perpendicular, ma. L1, L2. L1 and L2 are perpendicular, yes. So just now I told L1 is 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. This is called L1. And what is L2, Mohan? Can you tell L2, dear? This is first. Minus becomes plus. So, Mohan, are you there? Are you there? Yeah, you are there. Very good. Ram is missing, I think. What is that equation? How do you write equation of L2, dear? Just now I told her. Can you tell?
4x plus 3y is equal to c, sir.
Yes, Mohan.
4x plus 3y is equal to c, sir.
Yeah, brilliant, dear. Plus C equal to 0. That's it, dear. That's it, Mohan. Excellent. Now, what to do, Gogol? Can you tell me what to do now? This is the L2 mark. How do you find out C? Anybody? Who will find C, please? Come on.
Substitute the points or x1, y1.
Brilliant. Why this point P is on this line PF? L2 is then PF. PF one more. Okay, what is that called? Provident Fund Annuity. Provident Fund Annuity. Employees telling, okay, Provident Fund Annuity. Anyway, PF. Now the P is the point and F is the foot of the perpendicular, yes. Friends, here the PF made a point. This is the PF. Which point is on PF? Known point. This is unknown point. Forget. Known point is minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 3 is on L2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? What does it mean?
Yes,
X, y. This is called X, y. So substitute here minus 1 in the X area. That we will find out how. I'll tell you. As far as this is concerned, in the line is concerned, P is on this line. Therefore, put X as 4, Y as 3 to get C mark. To get C. What do you do? Minus 4 plus 9 plus C equal to 0. What is C mark? Minus 5. Do you agree? Therefore, what is L2 for? L2 is, come on, I don't think you can see. Yes, you are seeing it. So L2 is what now? 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here, this is the equation of L2. So this equation is what? See this. 3x minus 4y. 4x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Yes. Friends. In the ரெண்டு line எங்க join பண்றோமா? Where they are making it? At F, right? So this F is what? Point of intersection of two lines. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
How do you find out point of intersection? Intersecting lines. Solve the two equations. They have got only one solution. Solve both the equations. You get F, because F is the common point for both the lines. Therefore, this is called 1. The given, this is called 1 mark. This is called 2. Just now we got it. So, F is the common point for L1 and L2 mark. F is common point for L1 and L2 mark. That's why we can solve the two equations. Please understand this mark. Brilliant one mark, please. So 1 and 2 by F is the common point for L1 and L2. Therefore, solve it. Solve them, right? How to solve it now? 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. That's the number 2. Number 1 is 3x minus 4y equal to 16. You solve it by elimination method and you get the x and y. That x and y is called foot of the perpendicular. Is it right? The L1 and L2 intersection point. Are you able to follow me? Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you solve it here, and you get the. So you will do it, ma, that as a homework, so that we can do other question.
Yes, sir.
Right. Like this you do, and you find x and y. That x and y is the foot of the perpendicular. Such a brilliant question, ma, please. Okay. See, we are learning from each question, right? We are beautifying and glorifying the concept. Yes. Every time you do the question, you really understand the concept in a different dimension. Yes or no, please? Each time you understand new dimension of the concept. Yes. Yes or no, please? So you solve it, complete it. Some minus 49 by 25 and something else I don't remember. Please think about that. So that's about question number 14. Jeevit has not come, I think, today. Right. Question number 15, it's another beautiful one, please. Question number 15, please. What is the question number 15, pa? Can you please read, Kavi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
The perpendicular from the origin to the line y equal to mx plus c meets it at the point minus 1, 2. Find the values of m and c.
Wow. Very nice. Thank you. The perpendicular from the horizon. Wow. So you can draw the figure now properly to the line. Y is mx plus c meets, I'm writing the full question, meets it. Okay? Meets it. Who will meet whom? Perpendicular from the horizon to the line. In the line, I'll actually meets it at the point. Point is given minus 1, 2. Find the values of m and c. Yes. M is what and c is what? Yes. Wow. If I can draw the figure perpendicular from the origin to the line, forget about who is that line. I'll draw a line like this. This is my line. Perpendicular from the horizon. Wonderful. Called as M. Okay, if you want to call F also, nothing like because foot of the perpendicular, right? This is the perpendicular, right? This is the foot of the perpendicular on the line, right? So the point perpendicular from the horizon, this is called 0, 0. Where they are meeting, the perpendicular from the origin to the line name is what? Y is mx plus c. Line of the equation is y is mx plus c. This perpendicular, where does it meet the line? At M. That point is called minus 1, 2. The foot of the perpendicular is given, my dears. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Friends, very, very simple logic. This line OM is perpendicular to the line or not? Perpendicular to the line. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So what is the slope of OM, dears? Do you know the slope of OM? Because there are 2 points are given. Yes or no? Horizon, soft point is given here. 0, 0. So what is the slope of OM, dears? Anybody? Quick solunga, quick solunga. Simple mark. This is 2 by minus 1, dears. That's all mark. Y coordinate by x coordinate because this is being horizon mode. Slope of OM is minus 2, dears. Yes or no? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, please. If slope of OM is minus 1, what about the slope? Minus 2, yeah, what the hell I am writing? minus 2 mark. 2 by minus 1 is minus 2. What is the slope of this line, pa? Please, can anybody tell what is it?
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. Brilliant, pa. 1 by 2. Excellent. Perfect catching. Now, friends, can you write the equation of this line, ma? Slope is known. Point is known, ma. This point is on this line. And whose slope is known, ma. That's it. Can I write the equation? And can I, thereby, I can find the M and C. That's it, over. SP forms equation of a line. Equation of a line, yes. What is this equation of a line? Slope point form, right? Slope point form, what is that? M is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Yes or no? Y minus 2. M is what? 1 by 2 into x minus x1, x plus 1. 2y minus 4 is equal to x plus 1. So x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of this line, please. So friends, now you have x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. And you can write this also. This is nothing but what? Mx minus y plus c equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, these two are same or not? I said equation of a line. This line only we are talking, right? Already they have given y is mx plus c. So here, mx plus minus y plus c equal to 0. So who is c here? And who is m?
Point, sir.
M is what?
1, sir.
What is m?
1, sir.
1, sir. Thank you. Excellent. That's all over. M is 1, C is 5. See this. That means what we are doing is we are doing the same line. They are given one unknown equation. For the same line, we write one known equation. Then we compare x and x. M is 1. C is 5. Over M is 1 and C is 5. How beautiful it is, right? Are you really now glorifying the concepts or not?
Yes, sir.
See that, how beautiful it is, right? You should enjoy this learning of this mathematics. Such a beautiful one, please. Arpit, Priya,
Yes, sir.
Sudarshan, Gogol, and Mohan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. I think Ram is out. Maybe the network issue, right? Shall I rub it, man, now? Take this, man, take this. Now, am I making it clear or not? Are you, Sudarshan, are you comfortable with learning? Are you comfortable, dear Sudarshan? Okay. Is it getting into the head or not? That's my question, please. Mohan?
Sir, yes, sir.
Did you follow this one? Because you have to find out y is mx plus c is this line only, L only. The same equation, I have found it now, just now. Equation of a line, the whatever line, in the line, slope and point form. Slope is 1 by 2 and point is minus 1 comma 2. Yes, Arpit.
I have a question, sir. Can't we just because the line's equation is y is equal to mx plus c, and we have a point on the line, and we have the slope. Can't we just substitute values and get the answer for c?
Yeah, you can do that. Yes, fantastic. That's what we did actually, right? We are comparing here, or else we can put here because this line, right? You write the m is 1 by 2, already you know it, right? And put the point
Yes, sir.
x comma 1 this and you will get it as substitute right. Yes, you can do that. You can do that, but this is better. Okay, I wrote it. Anyway, that's fine. Yes, you can do that. What he's telling is this part. Y is mx plus c. M is what? Already 1 by 2. Y is m 1 by 2x plus c. But in the line mele in the point minus 1 comma 2 irukku. So y is 2 and x is minus 1 plus c. You write it now. What is happening here? X is minus 1, okay. Y is 2, okay. And C we are getting 5 by 2 now, boss, right? Yeah, M is 1 by 2 and C is excellent. Wrong here. Can anybody say what is the wrong I did, please? Yes, we compared your right by your right opposite. So you get C equal to 5 by 2 part. And M is 1 by 2. Yeah, you are right, ma, please. M is 1 by 2 and C. These are the correct answers, ma. But what is the mistake here? What mistake I made in comparing it, ma, please? There is a 2y. There is a 1y. Therefore, first you have to make the coefficients must be same, yes, okay? Y is minus 1, so divide with 2 here, then you get it x by 2 minus y plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Now you write here mx minus y plus c equal. Now you say c is 5 by 2. Yeah. M is 1 by 2. That's it here. Alternate method I am telling you. Now you understand the mistake also, correct? This is the problem because in the minus y and minus 2, there's a wrong comparison here unless they are equal. Only you can check it from here because this is a known one, correct? Y coefficient is 2 and y minus 2 and y minus 1 is wrong. Therefore, make it minus 1 here. So divide with 2 here, you get x by 2 minus y and plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Now it's the equal footer, same basis. Therefore, you get c is 5 by 2 and m is 1. Otherwise, he's using a brilliant method. Or y is mx plus c is the equation. Slope is already known, m is known, and we have to, this point is on this line. Therefore, this is called x comma y. X comma y was this poranga, m was 1 by 2 poranga, you get the c ma. That's it. So c is 5 by 2, already m is 1 by 2. That's this is what he's telling you. Amazing, right? Thank you, Arpit. I think you corrected the answer also. So m and c are 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. Thank you. The comparison, this is a comparison method. It's a beautiful technique for your future work. Okay, sometimes this in the tougher questions, this method is useful for us. Is it okay, Papa? Please understood?
Yes, sir.
So it's n is 1 by 2 and c is a 1 by 2. Actually, this method is a very natural method. This method is very natural. This is unnatural. That's why we did a mistake. Okay, please. Yes, it's unnatural, right? So we did mark 14, 15, 16, 17. I think 16 also we have done, right? Yeah, 16 was a notorious one. Yesterday, I think the previous class we have done it. Okay. Okay, yes. So I think the notorious questions all are completed. Man. Next, any other doubt is there? Please tell me so that I'll address through WhatsApp or through any way we can do it. Please tell me. Now, are you comfortable with this? And the objective questions are there, MCQs are there. Okay, that also we have to do, right? So, we have to see. Okay, now I will be sending. Already I sent some questions. Did you try them? Google. It is there in the group, or it is there in the group. Did you try it?
Yes, sir.
Kavi?
Sir, no, sir.
No. Please try, ma. Please do that. Mohan, all of you dears, all of you kindly do that. Try one question பண்ணுங்க அப்போ. நான் சொல்றது என்ன? ஒரு question, one question if you do it, you get really the feel of it, okay, how difficult it is. No, they are not difficult. நம்ம பண்றது இல்ல first. நம்ம பண்ணதானே தெரியும். All of you try it out. ஒரு question பண்ணுங்க. எப்படி? அப்போ வந்து நம்ம பத்தி நமக்கு தெரியும். Until unless you expose yourself to yourself. Expose yourself to yourself. This we don't do it. We never do it. Everything is well, okay? Now Vijay சொல்லுவார் இல்லையா அந்த 3 Idiots movie, right? All is well, okay? So all is well under this is for emotional issues and soft issues is okay. For learning la vandu no compromise. You should touch your heart. You should really question yourself. Hey, what is happening? Why I am not able to do? I don't get a proper sleep if I fail in my class. You know that? Do you know that? That's why I learn. It's just not for teaching, okay? Ella question paranga. Any question you want to do it, you have to teach in such a way that nobody should left, how to say, unhappy. So, நீங்க வந்து please you have to question yourself. Where do I stand? What am I learning? Is it enough? Why am I not able to answer? So one day you have to do that. Someday you have to do that. You have to completely overhaul yourself. We don't do that, but we should do that. Then only proper learning will happen, yes. Why I am not able to do it? What is wrong with me? This type of introspection should happen. The early it happens, the better for you. Yes, any day you can correct yourself. We throughout our life we will be keep correcting ourselves. Notice it never ends. Learning, and if you stop learning, you will stop your growth. Yes, that's it. So never ever stop learning. Be humble in learning. Okay, I don't know many things. And the concept namak therinjadana, then we will start loving the learning. Okay? That's why Baizu guy is such a powerful guy. How he made the statement, paranga. The punchline, what is that? Can anybody say what is the Baiju's punchline, ma? Can anybody say, please, Baizu? Yes?
Sir,
You
I
see,
don't remember.
don't remember. I told you in the class also. Do you remember?
Make learning fun. Was it make learning fun?
Yeah. What is this? Fall in love with?
Learning.
Learning, sir.
Learning. Brilliant. Yeah, what a beautiful statement for you. Please. As a student, okay, you must fall in love with learning, please. This not happened with us. That means we are undergoing a worst crisis. Worst crisis. What a brilliant punchline for me. This is a punchline, okay? Airtel, okay? What is the Airtel punchline? Can anybody say what is the Airtel punchline? We used to see that ad, okay? Earlier, some 10 years back, as a child, you would have seen that. Airtel, earlier, when they started the channel, I mean, how to say, telecom, they used to give the beautiful ad, okay? And one more company was there, Hutch. Do you remember Hutch was there? That idea has become Hutch now. One small dog used to, we follow wherever you go. That's the punchline for Hutch. Then Airtel was express yourself. That means what? You talk more and pay more. That's the express yourself. That is the Airtel or a punchline. Express yourself. Because telecom, right? You should talk. More you talk, we generate more revenue, please. Indirectly, they are telling you, please. This is how, what I recommend. This is an education company. What a beautiful punchline is for you. Fall in love with learning. This is what we need to do, all of us, please. once you develop this, I think no one can stop it, whether teacher is there or not. It doesn't matter. Teacher is just one small instrument, please. 20%. The remaining 80% is you. Please understand this. Each individual should make up that 80%. Teacher's role is minimum. Of course, the 20% is a crucial for some people. Teacher will change that whole perception of the subject also. But right, okay, right. Okay, is it okay, ma, right?
Yes, sir.
So shall I now wind up, dears? So keep working, pa, keep working. Whatever I send it, okay. Please touch it. Do 1 or 2 questions and just submit it if possible. Nobody is doing it. Google and Kavi has done it. After that, I asked her every day one sum you please submit. Not asking much. Okay, right, dears. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you. Take care. And what about any news regarding school, ma? Any news? Are they going to start? As it is September 1st. Is it September 1st you are going to school? Did they say? Ninga Jayapriya school? Is it informed? Kavi, is it informed, ma? First September 1st?
No, sir.
No, not yet. What about you, Mohan?
Sir, no, sir. They didn't say anything about the
Arthur, what about you?
September 1st.
Not yet. Oh, only the news is going on in the channels, I think. Okay, September 1st. Even Delhi government also announced that September 1st will be for 9 to 12, and other classes it is from September 8th or so, 1 week gap. Right? Okay, dear. So get ready for schools also. Okay, it's another adventure. Please let us not worry too much. See, already 61 crore people have been given 1 dose of the job, 1 dose of the vaccination. 61 C, my dears. Almost 50%, my dears. This is such a vast country. You have to combine so many countries to make India, dears. Please understand this. It's a wonderful work they have done it. Okay, see, several people are participating. It's not just Prime Minister or CM. How many health workers are involved in this? Doctors are involved in this. Fabulous work. Okay, they are doing. 61 crores of people are covered today, as on today. And today alone, they made around 60 lakhs, not 60 lakhs, sorry, 75 lakhs. Just now I have seen the channel, and 75 lakhs in a single day. Such a country for you. Okay, so it's a wonderful feat. So get ready for it, okay? Nothing to worry. We will be safe only, nothing is going to happen. And even for school children, for students also, it has come now 12 and above, they are going to administer that Cadila Zydus, I think Cadila company in the one Zydus Cadila, I think. They have given, they have also done vaccination. It's getting ready. Okay. Right, ma? All the best. Thank you. Exactly 8 o'clock. Very nice. Fabulous to see that time 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Nice days. We'll see again on Saturday. That's tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be seeing. I will see the timing and tell you what, because I have to conduct both 11th and 12th. So your time is pakka, please. 6:30 to 8. Right. Thank you. See you on.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.